on this current. I'm not gonna have music on this current. Like, in case you, so you can turn it up if you want to.
Oh, you're gonna.
Hey, you shrimp? Oh,
I see.
the mushroom. Yucaipa Regional Park.
Hello, how you doing?
Morning.
Morning.
How much?
$10 parking.
Here you go.
And then were you guys planning on fishing today?
Yes, sir.
Okay, fishing's an additional $10 per person. How many people are fishing?
2.
So it'd be $30 even then.
How much?
$30 odd.
Here you go. Even?
Yeah, my bad.
Nah, you good, bro.
I'm asking where that top like the top.
Yeah. So we have the rest of the family coming with the baby. He wants to play on the playground. Magic bait. Okay.
Quick question: how do we get to the top lake?
Just follow the road, cross the bridge, and then make a right, and then just head straight up to the parking lot.
Okay, thank you.
5 fish limit. So we can only catch 5 fishes, guys.
Sheesh.
They're gonna have a tough time with us. We're gonna catch it all. I ain't Ash, but sheesh, we catch them all.
They bring the RVs, right?
RVs and everything. That would have been cool if we would have known this anoche. Well, if we had a little RV, a little sleeper, come at night, camp it out, and then just go in the morning. Have a little golf cart to go in. He said to the right, huh? Past the bridge to the right. There's a couple of little spots over there. Yeah. What's going on, YouTube? You know who it is. It's your boy Shrek, and we're back with another video, guys. Today is different. It's not no mechanic work. It is Labor Day weekend, and we actually came to Yucaipa Regional Park to do a little fishing. We've never done no fishing other than when we were little, but that wasn't even fishing. I was just messing around. So first time actually fishing. Brought Pops out here, and the whole family's gonna come in a little bit. So let's see if we catch anything. It's catfish season, and yeah, we're just gonna bring you guys along. Stay tuned. Should I put all 4 of them out? You could tell I'm new here. I already cut myself. Alright, so we got our essentials. Marshmallows, some shrimp, and our rods. They're little fishy. I don't even know what that is. Murky waters though.
I don't know what that red thing is for. The Carolina.
Just to have it ready, but this one. Oh, here's the. Oh, this one's way different. I like this one. Huh? Get off my rod. I know, we're gonna have to spread them out right now. I did put them a little too close. My fault. New to this. Reason why I'm wearing a glove already, guys, I cut myself accidentally. Man down.
Oh, you put, yeah, yours is, I put my weight.
Higher?
I'm gonna do it both though.
What? Both fishing rods?
No, like one bottom, one up.
Oh, that's how I'm doing it too. To see, andale. That's how I'm doing it too. All right. Next we got our little stopper. Acting like I know what I'm doing. You gotta fake it till you make it. Feed our fishing line through it. Oh, if we could get it in there. Here we go. All right, got the stopper through. And now let's do a, what is it called? A Palomares hook or not? Palomares, I don't know. But we got our hook. And do a little loop.
And marshmallow first, and then shrimp.
Marshmallow first, then shrimp. It just turned into a lefty. About to hook myself. Jesus Christ. There we go. There we go. I'm gonna put the other two of them, I think.
You loop it around.
Y se le pone nada más un pedacito y se le mete adelante del, se les ponga esa.
My cousin said you leave the head, you get the one with the head because it still has like the blood from the head that stays on the fish.
Alright.
Porque allá cuando íbamos allá en el Prado,
Should I just
cada
cast
vez
it?
los que sacaba atrás se los cobraba. Ay, güey, ya se le cayó todo.
Este es al revés de como el de Tata. Cuidado, no lo voy a enganchar.
No, no, pues aviéntalo y luego después ya le jalas. Ya veo.
Ahí voy aprendiendo, ahí voy aprendiendo.
Ya se fue el camarón.
Camarón pelado, ¿tú quieres? Se le antojó a usted, ¿verdad? Oh, sure, what about the spray?
Eres una lombriz.
What happened? I don't know.
Ay,
Look in the bucket? Is that in the bucket?
Nope. No, we left it. El spray. No, we left it.
¿por qué querían spray?
Nope, practice. Need to practice.
Fucking pretty hard.
All right, guys, here's a little update. We did get something already. We got a little fish. I'm probably gonna release it at the end, but we got both lines out there right now casted. I believe that's how you call it. And we're just gonna wait and chill. We're using shrimp as our bait. So far, they just eat our bait and that's it. We're actually putting the marshmallows as well, actually. But patience. See if Teddy got something. Yup, he got a bunch of seaweed. That's all we're catching. Seaweed and getting our shrimp bait, but it's really relaxing out here, so.
I got something.
You did? Oh, there we go. Second little, oh, that's a nice bigger one. Is that a catfish?
Yeah. Babe.
Teddy got something.
Look.
Get it down, get it down. Unhook it.
Put it back over here.
Right there, right there, right there. Come on, come on, before it dies. First catfish of the day.
Hijo de puta.
What? Here, want to use the pliers?
Yeah.
Here.
Where's the hook at though?
I don't know. Hold him, hold him.
He's small.
I know. Unhook him.
Dude,
Pull it.
He has a fucking sharp
Teeth?
like these things right here.
Oh, come on. Hurry it up. You're gonna kill him.
Can't fool.
There you go. Come on. Pull it. Don't be scared. Hold him. Squeeze. There. Pull it. Or get closer to it. Here, let me see. Hold him.
Careful, because he's sharp, fool.
Hold up.
See?
Oh, you have it down here.
Damn, look at shrimps right there, homie. He ate
Pull
that
him. There you go. Get closer to the top of the hook, I guess.
shit. It's because he's, he can't, he's fucking...
Get this. Let go. Hold him. Don't be scared, Teddy.
I'm not.
Look. Oh my God.
He's slippery.
Fool. Quit being a little scary cat.
There you go. He's slippery, fool.
Hold him.
Que no ves que...
Hold him right from the top. Fool.
Pinche Teddy. No.
Teddy, hold him.
It's the gloves, homie. It has to be the gloves.
Richard, hold him.
Yeah, it's the gloves.
Ay, güey, se fue. Che mierda.
Ah, no que no.
No miedo que se lo haga mierda, lo pechó.
No.
Hold him.
No kid.
Yeah, gloves at least, Teddy. Mira, no se puede.
It's too...
Está grande.
Richard, hold the camera. Here.
Ay, gorda, agárrala. Pinche gorda.
Careful, everybody.
Lo atravesaste, Teddy.
¿Y le van a dejar ahí el fierro? No, ya se murió este compadre.
Come on, guys.
Can we get that on camera?
No,
Oh, that was alive.
Oh, está vivo, mira cómo...
Turn a bigger bucket,
Échale más agua.
A bigger bucket.
Ay, se está muriendo. Se está muriendo. Tiene bigotitos. Se enojó.
No, se está muriendo, mira, le duele, tiene
Pues cómo no le va a doler.
That's a big ass fish.
Bueno, la sombrita.
Yeah, they're friends. Está mayor, mi mano, que huele sangre.
Got another one, guys.
This is like that, the other kind though.
This is like that first one I caught. So it's 2 for 1. Teddy's 2, me 1. There we go. We're catching. We're just catching and releasing though. We're gonna release these guys as soon as we're done fishing today. Just using some shrimp, like I said.
There's?
That's cool though.
Ese no está bueno.
¿Qué comes, gordita? Enséñale al YouTube lo que comes. What are you eating in there? Show them what you eat. No fish in there?
Y acá lo traigo con todo y barbas.
Ready to go fishing again?
Era el bigotón.
Hello.
All right, Teddy. So, what was your review for the first time fishing?
Not bad at all.
Pretty fun.
Did good for our first time.
Yeah, we just spoke to a guy right now, and right where I jumped out to fish, said he's been fishing for a while already and hasn't caught anything. So I guess beginner's luck, or I don't know, maybe we're just that good at it. But that's gonna conclude our first fishing trip. We're just documenting it for future reference, just so we have something to go back towards or back and see our progress. We will be fishing again. We already got our rods, got some of the stuff, the line, so definitely be back, document that one as well. So as always, guys, if you're at home, enjoy time with your family. If you're on the road, be safe, and catch you guys on the next video. Peace.